Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to perform time series forecasting using the arima, autoregressive integrated moving average, model in Python. Arima is a widely used method for forecasting time series data that exhibits patterns such as trends and seasonality. We'll walk through the steps of building an arima model, fitting it to data, and making predictions. Before starting, ensure you have the following Python libraries installed. You can install these libraries using pip. Arima is a forecasting technique that combines autoregression, AR, differencing, I, and moving average, MA, components. In this example, replace your _data.csv with the path to your dataset. Adjust the parameters p, d, and q based on the autocorrelation and partial autocorrelation plots. That's it. You've now built an arima model for time series forecasting in Python. Experiment with different parameters and data pre-processing techniques to improve your forecasts.